In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable a sticky header in the Shopify Dawn theme. This simple customization can enhance the navigation experience on your online store, making it easier for visitors to access important links as they browse your website. Let's dive right into the process, starting with accessing the theme customizer. First, you'll want to open your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, head over to the online store section. Here, you'll find a list of your installed themes. Locate the Dawn theme, which should be currently active or the one you're planning to customize. Click on the Customize button next to it. This will open up the theme editor, where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the theme editor, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where all the settings and structural elements of your store's layout are listed. Scroll down until you find the Header section. Clicking on this will unveil a variety of settings specifically related to the header area of your store. With the header settings open, it's time to enable the sticky header. You'll notice a setting that's likely labeled Sticky Header, which is probably set to None by default. To change this, simply click on the setting and you'll see several options to choose from. The first option is On Scroll Up. Selecting this means your header will only appear when the user starts scrolling back up the page. This can be a great choice if you want a clean and unobtrusive look, only showing the header when beneficial for navigation. Next, there's the Always option. As the name implies, this will keep your header fixed at the top of the page, no matter which direction the user is scrolling. It ensures that your navigation menu is always within reach. Finally, you have the Always Reduce Logo Size option. This behaves much like the Always setting, with the added advantage of reducing the size of your logo as you scroll down. It frees up more screen space for your content while keeping your brand visible. Once you've settled on the sticky behavior that best suits your store's needs, don't forget to save your changes. At the top right of the theme customizer, you'll see a Save button. Click it to apply your new sticky header settings. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled a sticky header for your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. This can significantly improve navigation, keeping important links and branding constantly in view for your visitors. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in enhancing your online store.